Bulavinaka and good evening. Thanks for joining us. Leading our bulletin tonight, the rising number of HIV/AIDS cases in the country is a growing concern, with most cases reported within the I-Taukei community. The surge has been linked to the increasing prevalence of drug-related issues, highlighting the need for greater awareness, education and intervention efforts. Speaking to Fiji One News, the founder of Drug Free World Fiji, Volatambu, asserts that from January to September alone last year, there were over 1,000 cases reported. I-Taukei with the details.
Drug Free World Fiji founder Volatambu expressed concern over alarming rise in HIV cases, noting that the increase in drug use has accelerated the transmission of HIV, making the situation even more critical.
Those new cases alone, we are in the 4 digits now. Like, remember 2022, 2023, 450 new cases for the whole year. 1 year later, we're in the 4 digits. And we were told back then that we were the second fastest running, country, Asia Pacific. After a figure from last year, we are leading, the fastest growing HIV epidemic in the Asia Pacific country.
She stresses that much more needs to be done across the nation, as parents alone cannot tackle these challenges at home.
It has to be put out to the community. It has to be community driven, because only the community know each other. Without the money, we will do this. Yes, but because there is a bottleneck or whatever it may be, there's too many red tapes, there's too many explanations, there's too many talks, a lot of action. Not a lot of action. We need action now. How many people need to die?
Assistant Minister for Health and Medical Services, Penyoni Rabunawa, says it is disheartening to witness youths being affected by the growing drug use and HIV cases in the country.
It is important that as parents, as guardians, we need to look after them and also understand if there's any change, then you start to have a conversation with our young daughters and sons in the family and those that we look up to us for care.
Fiji is on the verge of a crisis, with thousands of people being diagnosed with HIV as the growing issue of drug abuse has become a primary vehicle for its spread. I-Taukei.